Oh, Jesus. Now. Now, f off everything.
He's crazy.
Ahoy!
Hello, friend.
Good morning and welcome to Brooms Head. Left Sandon yesterday, arrived at Brooms yesterday. And this is the first session out. Weather looks very nice. Wind's down, blowing from the offshore. And we've got no swell. Oh yeah, funny that. Started paddling out, could see where waves were breaking, but I picked a bit of a gap. Only to realise that the reason they're breaking is because there's dry reef there.
Amateur!
So I had to make a quick U-turn and make like a boiled Cheerio and split. Paddle around that, but we're all good now. And we're on the hunt for liveys. I do have dead bait. I've got those salted bonnies that I used at Sandon, but I really want some liveys. So that's what the task is at the moment. Paddle around, plenty good ground out there. Look at that. That's the reef out here. Only like a 5-minute paddle out, so pretty good, but pretty shallow. Look at that. It goes up to 3.9. But yeah, we'll find some liveys or chuck some dead baits on, and I'll be back. Hopefully, we can find a couple of schnaps. I'd love to have a livey at the back. See if we can pick up a late season Spanish down here. That would be the goods. But only time will tell. All right, be back soon. Here we go. Ah, you are not what we want. Oh, but you are. I'll take you. Let's mark that spot there. There's plenty of bait there. You're a funny looking thing. Reel's almost cactus, I think. Tiny yakkers. That's a bit better. That is better, much better size.
Not bad, good size.
Come here. Oh, they're all tangled up. Oh. Ah, Jesus. All right, bait from the water. I've got a livey on the top on wire on the right, and I've also got that salted bonnie on a Paternoster rig, on a Paternoster flasher rig on the bottom. And I've also got a rod with a soft plastic on, which I'll probably start dropping soon once I get out to out a bit further. But at least we are fishing. All right. You know what time it is.
Oh, not this shit again!
God damn it!
Let's go.
Fucking did it anyway. Scumbag.
Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Where are you? Let's go fish. You. Here we go. Right on cue.
Wow, that was fast.
Right on cue. How good's that? Get this one out of the way. How good is that? Right on cue. This is on the surface. Oh, big head chase. Get ourselves sorted here. Let's get ourselves sorted, alright. Let's hope this isn't a shark. That's the... Oh. All right. Very big head shakes. And it's very heavy. Very heavy. Oh. All right, we might be in for a bit of a fight with this one. By the sounds of it. Big heavy. Oh, oh, big head shakes. Big head shakes. Definitely pulling us along though. Feels a bit sharky. Oh, oh. Come on. Get your head up. Get your head up, buddy. Something. Oh, oh, Jesus. This is a heavy fish. Very heavy. Very heavy. Get up. Oh, oh, jeez. Oh, well, we've got nothing else to do today. We'll just sit out here until he gets tired out. Well, whether he gets tired out or I get tired out, one of the two.
Ah, that's funny. I'm funny.
Oh, this is not good. If it's going to be a shark. And they head up. You know what? I was also going to put the livey on the heavier rod and heavier setup, but no. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, get up. Oh. I think we're losing this. And this is going to be a shark. I'm going to be so pissed off. Get up. Oh. We're not moving this thing at all. Christ almighty. Oh. Jesus. Come on. This is not fun now. This is not fun. Oh. Get the f up. Oh. Let me look at you. If you're a shark, I'll let you go. Just let me have a f look at you.
Oh, someone's getting cranky.
Now. I just wanted a damn snapper. Or a Spanish.
Oh, you poor thing.
I don't think this is either.
Well, you never know.
I'm gonna get the f up now. Get up. Get up, you f thing.
Someone's cranky.
Yeah. Get the f up. Trying on the f***ing boat again. And yeah, look at you. Gonna f***ing tip me in.
That would be funny.
Get up. Get the f*** up. Oh, Jesus. Get the f*** up. We're pretty much almost fully locked up on this thing now. It has to be a big, it has to be a big shark. Get the f*** up. Get the f*** up, you fucking.
This is funny.
Now. Oh. We're breaking the rod, the line, all this fish as well.
That's what you think!
I ain't got time to around with this old money. Oh well, we've got nothing else to do today. We'll just sit out here until he gets tired out.
What an idiot!
Despite me not having anything else to do today, I don't want to be doing this. Get the up! For sake. Get up!
This is hilarious!
Can't see it. Get the up. Get the up now.
Somebody's cranky.
Oh, now. Alright, I think this is coming to the end here.
Speak English, please.
All right, I've come to the end. I'm tapping out. I'm gonna call this as a big fucking shark, and I can't get it anywhere near the boat. So I'm not gonna waste any more of my fucking time this morning. And I'm cutting the line. Fucking see you, boy. Yes, off. Everything.
Watch the potty mouth, honey.
Man, that has dragged me a long, long way. My arms are dead. Might have been like a ginormous cobra or something, but honestly, that drag was basically fully locked, and that was either gonna, it was probably gonna pull me in when it was doing those big head shakes. Oh man. Such higher hopes. All right, let's paddle back to where we're fishing and do it again. Man, I'm gassed now. Not even 7:30. All right, we'll get back there and get fishing. Oh, I just got back to where all that commotion began. I just looked at the time. I fought that thing for almost an hour. Oh God, it's an hour I'll never get back. I've just chucked on the dead baits back on the bottom. Let's have a look at how tight this drag was. Oh no, I actually loosened it then, didn't I? Oh, I can barely even move it. Yeah, so I've just got that fishing down the bottom, and I'll retie a leader and chuck another livey on this rod. Let's hopefully we don't hook whatever that thing was. I'm certain it was a shark, but I wasn't going to hang around and find out. Not that I could anyway. That had this combo basically maxed out, so if I had something bigger, we could have put some real hurt on it, but it's also pretty hard sitting down in a kayak. All right, we'll get this leader done, and hopefully we manage to find a fish in the meantime, preferably a snapper. All right, see you soon. Here we go. Got it. Here we go on the drop, on the plastic. Saw the fish on the sounder, and then dropped the plastic on its head, and then sure enough, that line starts to peel. Oh, how good's that? Yeah, good. Oh no. The camera stopped working. It's a nice snapper. Very nice snaps. Look at that. That's what we're talking about. That is what we're talking about. There we go. There we go. This camera stopped working, which is great. But should have been on that all along. Alright, let me deal with this fish and fix this camera. So there we go. The soft plastic does the damage in the end. That's a nice snap, that one. Look at that. Good table size fish. Woohoo! Stoked. Alright. Absolutely stoked. Absolutely stoked. Far out. Alright, well, that has been done and dusted. Pretty ironic that the first thing that I hooked is about 20 past 6, and then I hooked that snapper at 20 past 9, 3 hours, exactly the same spot. Oh, Far out. Bottom lip was definitely dragging after cutting off whatever that thing was. I suspect it was a shark. I really do. But yeah, very, very happy with getting that snapper onto soft plastic. The old stop and drop. And to work the treat, so yeah, I'm happy. Snapper for lunch. First snapper for brooms as well, so yeah, stoked. Now just to negotiate this way in, make sure I don't paddle over that really shallow part of the reef. All right, well, yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'm back out here tomorrow, but we'll just have to wait and see what the weather does, and I think the wind is supposed to be picking up, but we'll wait and see whether we can get it back out there. You see ya. What are they called? Yakkers. Yakkers.
Listen up, brother. Listen here, sister. Please, mister, just try to talk, mister. They're not listening. You know they never will. Be in the valley, day up on the hill. So we'll drink away our misery, smoke away anxiety. A generation lost in cyberspace, stressed and depressed, they can't see our face. They advertise, we monetize.